Good morning, everybody. What's shaking bacons? What a wackadoodle morning. All right. Where do we like Coinbase, guys? 205. Let's put a marker. I am the proud owner of Bitcoin for the first time in my life this morning. And we bought some Mara for a little swing trade. We'll talk about that later on. We got a bouncing. I want to show you guys. Our average in Mara is about 1910, 1920, and we just missed buying 1850 this morning by a penny. So we're going to sell a little if it gets to $20. We'll watch Coinbase. I want to show you guys Bitcoin. We got a lot of people in the room involved in Bitcoin this morning around the $30,000 level. I want to show you why we did it. That was our weekly support level. And it got cut in half. We talked about this yesterday, right? And I had targets of around 30,000 and then 29,000. So we hit it exactly this morning, basically by 200 points. First time ever, Mr. Green Jeans is a Bitcoin owner. But we didn't buy it at 63,000 or 50,000 or 40,000 or 30,000. Well, we did buy it at 30,000. GameStop, rip it up. Now, we talked about GameStop earlier this morning and said that's going to be the first one to go if this market turns because it was so freaking strong yesterday. Right? Crazy. CLSK, you guys got. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, again. Wow, we just sold some Mara at 1990, guys. Holy crap. What a morning. Insane. Nice job, everybody. I mean, I wanted to do this for a swing trade and hold it longer, but whatever. 2050, we are flat Mara, guys, if we go in that direction. 2050, all right? 2050, we'll take our trade and run home. Resistance is 2063, so 2060, we will take it and say thank you very much. Morning, 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 everybody. No, I don't like AMC for a swing. All right, we ain't getting Mara at $18. We ain't getting GameStop. We ain't getting that. We ain't getting that. We ain't getting that. Leave that. All right, now let's relax. I mean, Palantir is still fine from the swing, guys and gals. Just hang out, see what happens. I would love to see Bitcoin test 30,000 again, so we can buy a little more. But we break above 35,000 and it's off to the races. So let's see what happens. AMC from yesterday. Yeah, Stephanie, you can add a little bit of AMC here. 1270, 1280. I want to buy some more at 12 though. Really. $12. AMD short 7411. I like 7460 better, but yeah, you can short a little. At 7411, I like 7460 better. Coinbase, what a rally in coin, right? I heard coin had big problems this morning executing orders. So let's see what happens. JMIA might go green. All right. Let's see what happened. Guys, if you bought Bitcoin this morning, sell half right now. All right. We got a $4,000 profit. Please. Yes. Sell half of your Bitcoin from this morning. I mean, we could easily get back to 37,000 if that was the bottom. But please, we're up 5,000 points in Bitcoin. Coinbase is still down. Wow. Wow, we just went to 208 Coinbase. Holy crap. All right, 205 in Coinbase could be a spot to start looking. Far from moving average trade. Let's put a little marker out. I will check out Target in a minute. 205. 205 Coinbase. All right. That would be a far from moving average trade. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Target. All right. Target's going to be setting up for a nice early trend trade, guys. right? Keep our eyes on it. Spiked up to 215. All right, what do we like? 212? 211, do you like target? Let's do a little 211 in target. Get a $2 spike down. I like that. 211 target. We'll do it with a stopper. Good is good. Mara. Yeah, that's all right if you took your profits at 20, Mara. I was trying to get a little more up to this 2050 level, but I don't mind if we're out. $196. Great job. Good job on a little swingy dingy. All right. Let's take our profits in Mara. I'm okay with that. Move on to the next trade. That's all. See what the next move is. I mean, it was a swing trade, but we made over $1 on it, so it's fine. We'll take it. $19 stop. Target, the stop would be like 50, 60 cents if we get there. It's good. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Roblex. Wow. Nice short in Roblex at 74.40, right? Son of a beeswax. All right. We weren't there fast enough. Finally made a real trade on Mara and made some money. Nice job, guys. I don't want to say that was an easy trade this morning, but Bitcoin got cut in half, guys. In half. 62,000 to 30,000, right? I mean, that's insane. Insane. Well, that's why you don't chase. What the hell's going on with coin? This thing is all over the place. Holy crap. Jeez Louise. 208, 217. Let that settle, guys. I don't know where Doge is trading, guys, but we also got people into Ethereum this morning. Anyway, you guys got the Ethereum at 2340? I mean, this was also spectacular. Almost to the week. It hit our weekly level pre-market in Ethereum. Right? 2340. It is up $2 from there. Beautiful. You got the regular Ethereum. Oh, nice job, guys. Guys, we crushed it in cryptocurrency this morning, which is something I never trade. But today was the day. I mean, today was the day. Sick. Got Ethereum at 2100. Oh, that's gorgeous. 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 I took off work to watch your live stream and then start the course. Boom. Excellent. You know, Bitcoin's got room to this 37,000 now, right? 37.6, maybe. I'm kind of hoping that wasn't the bottom and we could, you know, test it one more time. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Oh, that was more than a regular day, nature bound. You know? Whoa, spiders, guys. All right. So our spiders, let's go to the daily on this one, ladies and gents. Weekly, actually. 402.75 is Gigantor in the spiders. 402.75. If we get there, actually, we got 403.25 and then 402.75. We spike down there, we are going to short the crap out of VXX, guys. Baidu. Whoa. Holy mackerel. Baidu 188.30. If we go fast, I like it. Let's do it. 188.30 Baidu. Short. Moving up to our pivot point. It'll be up $4. Keep your eyes on it. We want it now or soon. How does the market get crushed and Baidu and all these other things go up? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. You're still in Mara? All right, good. 2050 would be the spot to sell a little bit more. 2050, sell a little bit more Mara. What's Target doing? Bounce. Yeah, and then some. Cancel coin. Coin's sitting at a short level, guys, but I don't know if I trust this thing. It's been on both sides of everything, right? 217.80. Ooh, I have one share of coin from 214. And sell it. and I'll make $1 after commissions. 208 coin got to. Oh, you gewelt. Yeah, you got to be careful. I'm with you, and it's very, very early. You know, coin 228 will short. I like that if we get there. You know, if you shorted the 218 right here, try to have a break-even stop. Maybe you get $2 out of it on a pullback. Neo. Neo's dead meat. I don't see it. I don't see anything to do in Neo. Kind of just sitting here, nothing to do. Oh, this was happy. This was just a spectacular morning. I mean, spectacular. Spectacular. It doesn't show in my P&L because I'm not doing what everybody in my room is doing, and the Bitcoin doesn't show in here, obviously. Futu, what do you like, Futu? 119, Calvin? That is a level down from 125. All right, I would try Futu at 119. Just be small. Be small, small, small. I like that in Futu. Labu getting a smack-a-dacker from $60. All right, let's try a little Labu 5740 small. You like that, right? Labu's a tough one. Keep it small. This thing can rip your face off either way. But I like 5740. That's down $3 from where we just were. We'll give it a crack. I like it. What's Baidu doing? Baidu, Tesla. Tesla's another one. I think it's going to 395. 495 Tesla. Maybe not today, but I think it's going there. Gus, we still like Baidu. You want to give it a minute up there? So we have 112 people in the room today, in our private trading room. Yeah, Tesla almost got the 544. Just missed it. You son of a beeswax. Hello in India. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're welcome, Richard. I have lost all my network today. In what? You're not in Bitcoin? You're in Bitcoin and all this nonsense? Yeah. Well, you stick with me, Maddie, and we'll avoid that from happening anymore, at least. Tesla could be a short at 561.50, guys. 561.50. Anyone get the coin with Sally? He bought 218 for a breakout. He sold some at 219.50. Very nice. Spicy meatball. I love it. Labu bounced, right? All right, good. Now I hit 2050. Everybody should be out of their trade there. I would take the money and run. Let's see what the next move is, right? I'm fine with that. I'm canceling Baidu. I don't like how it's going too slow. Yes. Everyone in the room is out of their Mara trade. I'm not saying it can't go higher, but whatever. All right, here's your resistance in Bitcoin now, 37,000. That's your resistance, 37,441. And I think I will be out. I'll take my 7,000 points and move on. Not a bad day trade. Coin 226 is the short. 226. Mon, today was the first day in my life I ever traded crypto. And it was because we were waiting for these levels so long for it to hit. So, first day. All right, look, guys, you want to hold a little Mara? I'm not. That's okay. That's fine. I'm okay. We would have had a really big day. We missed buying it by 1 penny this morning. It got to 1851. Can only see my shoulder. Hold on. What? There we go. Sorry about that, guys. Give me 1 second. I don't know if you're better off or worse seeing my face, but now you can see me. Is it time to average into Bitcoin? No, this morning was time. No, now it's time to take profits. I'm going to get out. I'm going to send my texty and get out. I'm happy with that for my first foray ever into it. Yeah, I think it's time. I think it's time. Yeah, Mara hit a little resistance up there. Look, I still think crypto can go back to 40,000, 50,000, but today was the absolute freaking perfect day. That was it. Next trade, guys. It was just a trade. Where would we buy coin? I don't know. This is a tough one. It's been all over the place. I mean, maybe 213 we try, or a double bottom. Probably better off, right? 213 or a double bottom. Again, it's wackadoodle right now, so I don't know. Let's give everything a few minutes, right? You got in the Baidu short at 188.30. All right. Look, have a break-even stop now. You know, it went down 70 cents. I would have taken some profits there. See what the next move is. I placed my order in pre-market and missed for not clicking extended hours. Ay. There you go, Baidu. Boom chakalaka. All right, if you got 188.30, take your dollar in Baidu right now. Nice job, Gus. Nice job, everybody. Perfect. Okay, so again, this morning, guys, Baidu hit our 200 EMA. Just gave a dollar trade in about 30 seconds. Richard got Baidu for $1. Mike got Baidu for $1. Gus got Baidu for $1. Wow. Nice job, guys and gals. Excellent. Excellent. And everything we do here is just about technical analysis, ladies and gents. You know, this is the second day in a row you've been with us where you've seen that. I mean, I wish everyone was with us pre-market this morning, so you could have got into Bitcoin with us, but a couple of good trades already. How do I feel about a Mara pullback? I think I'm done with that trade, Colin. I think I'm done. I'm not going to go back to that well unless we have a giant move again, right? Neo. I'm done with that. We made our trade. Yeah, I mean, the whole move in Neo is less than $1, though. I wouldn't bother. Nothing to do in Neo right now. Kind of just sitting. Again, crypto was the play this morning. TCOM. Oh, wow. This thing just spiked up $4. What is the... First thing I do when you guys tell me a stock, I want to go look at the spread in the stock. And this is good. 40.30, 40.31. We made a low of 38.50. I mean, maybe 40.87 for a short. In TCOM, I don't know. Is anyone familiar with this one? Trip Group. What is that? The travel thing? I don't know what this is. 40.87, I definitely short 42.80 if we go in that direction. So maybe you can look a little at 40.87. I'm not familiar with that stock. But the spread's good. Penn. Penn is a bloody mess right now. Powell, up, down, hit a little resistance, pulling back here now. So every time I put up a chart, ladies and gents, I'm just looking to see if it can get to one of my technical analysis areas, right? Which is what we teach you in our course and in the room. So, you know, when we put up Baidu, we had a nice resistance level up there at 188.30. And the stock went down to 187, gave you a quick dollar on it. That's what we're looking for. That is what we're looking for. Live on the fly in a minute trading hours with teaching commentary from David and for learning traders to learn. Imagine having this access every day. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, there's 113 people in my room right now that have access every day. Bitcoin coming back down. Yeah, now do I trust Bitcoin to hold these levels? No thanks. I mean, you know, for a trade, If you think it's going to set up for a trend the rest of the day, okay. But I want it to break back down and go lower so we get another shot in Mara at much lower levels. Well, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens in that. DHI and Snow. Am I in a BTX swing? No, it never went to $17. So we did not get it. We did not get it. Julian, if I own Bitcoin at 50,000 for a long-term investment, would I have had a stop? No, if you like it for a long-term investment. If you just got in at 50,000, then you had to add at the level we just talked about, and you'd have a 40,000 average. And then you got a shot at getting back there, you know? But if you're in at 50,000, you have to add at 30,000. And then you're sitting right in the middle right now. But again, I want to tell everybody, especially my guys, right? You got to take profits in these things. Okay? You don't sit on something that you have a $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 profit in and expect it to keep going up. It's a stock. Stocks just don't work that way. Right? Like anything else. All I saw this morning on TikTok, or whatever the hell it's called, is everybody, oh, we're crashing, we're crashing, we're crashing, we're crashing. Diamond hands, diamond hands, diamond hands, diamond hands. How cool would it have been to sell it at 60,000 and buy it back at 30,000? Right? That's the trade. And it's a trade like anything else is a trade. I'm not crazy about Baba Short here, really. I think it's a better buy. I wouldn't run in and short Baba. Oh, it's not TikTok? What is it? TikTok? I like TikTok. That works better for me. Vips short. Let's take a look. CLF. Vips. I would definitely short Vips at 24.12. That would be really stretched out. Really stretched out if we get up there. CLF. Cliffs. Cliffs is an ugly looking downtrend, guys and gals. I would not be buying Cliffs. 1780 is our daily level in CLF. That would be a spot. 1780 in CLF. Now, we talked about Bitcoin yesterday here, and we talked about the levels. Mara, you want to buy it at 1940? I don't know. Maybe 1880. Again, I'd like to see it make new lows again. I'd like to see crypto go below 30,000 again. But bulls, bears, and pigs, right, guys? Did we not tell everybody to get out of the trade? Just went down 80 cents. That's why we trade. Period. We trade. Yeah, I mean, Riot's the same chart as Mara, so I'm not buying either of them back right now. Yeah, double bottoms, we could probably start again. Plantier. I love Plantier long term, Raspy. I mean, we were in this stock at 1650 a week ago. I like it long term. I don't see anything to do right now. It's just bopping around all these levels. I would buy it on any, big weakness down if you're not in it yet. Playboy, Micron, CVS. CVS is no trend. That's a bloody mess. Don't get involved, Ken. Playboy, my least favorite stock in the world. It was a nice trend starting the day in Playboy, right? $44.30. Yeah, I'm not a big Playboy trader. But, I mean, 41.70, we should get a bounce in Playboy. I'll put that out. I like that. PLBY, 41.70. So, guys, for my Benzinga peeps, there are a ton of people in my room that are posting trades that we look at. Everybody has a voice in the room, and anytime someone posts up there, we go look at it. Viacom, let's take a look. Viacom's a bloody mess, too. It's up, it's down, it's sideways. Can't short Futu. Weren't we just looking to buy Futu? Now we want to short it? Oh, wow. Look how Futu this morning, guys. Hit our pivot point at 119. It's up $7. Doesn't get much better than that, right? Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Crazy. I don't know if I'd short it anyway. 129.50 I'd short Futu. Baidu on a pullback. Let's look. Gold. Everything's just so choppy, no? I mean, you like Baidu on a trend? I don't know if it's going to hold that trend. You know, I said this morning that this is going to be a difficult day. You know? Yeah, we're flopping around on low volume. Everybody crushed the pre-market. So I think we just got to be patient now. Tesla, I like 544. Yes. I'd be down 16 points. Let's do it. Cancel that Playboy. Tesla, 544. Oh, we're going to invite everybody into my private trading room for today, tomorrow, and Friday. And I can help you with that if you want to come into the room. Everybody in here is getting an invite into the room. This is the last week I'm going to have visitors, maybe ever. My room is filling up. There's 115 people in the room right now. I'm not going to have much more than that, period. Yeah, the opening sort of happened in pre-market. But everyone who's in here now with Benzinga, if I get 200 likes, and only if, I will let everybody come into the green room for today, tomorrow, and Friday. Next week is our boot camp where I teach my entire course live. Live. It is a private event. And it costs a little bit of money to do it. Facebook, 305.70 trend trade. I like it. Facebook looks good to the upside now. Yes. Yes, pivot points we have to put in on our own. Yes, Mr. T. Looking forward to the boot camp. Yeah, next week's going to be crazy with the boot camp. Yes. Oh, also, guys, join our Facebook group. It is free. And we're starting it today, actually, at 1 o'clock. We're having lunch with Peter and Dave. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of new stuff. I don't know if we have the Facebook. It's Wall Street Global Trading Academy on Facebook. We started it last week. We have 500 members already. We're going to do a lot of cool stuff in there, starting at 1 o'clock today. Wall Street Global Trading Academy on Facebook. It is free. It doesn't cost a nickel. Everybody come in. We're starting at 1 o'clock today. Roku. Yes, that is free for everybody. Boom chakalaka. I like Roku at 311.50. That would work if we get there. Yes. 100%. Target short. I mean, if you tried the target short, expect $1.50 above that. It is getting stretched target, right? It's getting stretched. Maybe if off moving average trade, if we get to the 80 RSI, I kind of like that. Peloton being green. What does that do for me, Sally? What do I care if Peloton's green? Give me a trade. Walmart is definitely setting up for a trend trade. Walmart is setting up for a trend trade. Let's get a bid out in Walmart, 142.10. That is the trend to ender. 142.10. And Walmart, we can definitely short at 144.80 if we go in that direction. So keep our eyes on that. Tilray long. Why would you be long Tilray? I don't see it. Catherine, it's not doing anything. It's just kind of sitting in the middle of everything. There's no technical reason to be long Tilray. Peloton, a couple of people are talking about Peloton. Yes, Peloton. We can do a trend trade in Peloton. 94.30, 93.80. That looks good. I like it. Yeah, so guys and girls, especially everybody who's listening, I don't always put all these orders in because I don't have time. But if we go look at a trade and I say it's good, put the orders out. Labu, again, is messy right here. Hurts. Kind of sitting right in the middle of everything. So every time we put up a chart, guys and gals, and this is what our course is going to teach you, or if you decide to stay in the room with us at some point, I'm looking for a stock to move a distance and hit one of my technical analysis points. When something's sitting right in the middle of everything, it's just not a trade. I need it to move down here, or up here. That's what I need. Target. All right, let's get a trend trade out in Target at 214.80. All right. Target has clearly established an uptrend. So we want to buy it on pullback. So if we get to 214.80, we are in Target. 214.80. This is what a trader does. We spend all day looking for these opportunities. If they don't set up, we don't trade. That's it. Cash is a position, guys. CRM is a trend trade. Right, Rich? Yeah, I mean, 218.65 would have been all right if we got right there, but now we're slowing down. No, don't chase the trade. That's how people lose money trading. And again, we're talking about day trading. I'm not talking about swing trading or anything else. We're just talking about day trading. You let it come. You be patient. Yes, read a trend trade, 97.80. Yeah, so let me explain to you guys who are new what a trend trade is, right? So a trend trade, what is a stock? When a stock is going in one direction for a certain period of time. Now, I'm looking at Rita Pharmaceuticals, and it's been up all day. All day. So the trend early established was at $95.66 when it hit our 9 EMA. It went up $6 from there for a trade. So now 97.82 is the 9 and 96.80 is the 15. So I want to buy very small on the 9. If it holds great, I'll have a good trade, and then add to it on the 15 EMA. That's how we get into a full trend trade. And the odds are, and again, everything we do is about odds, right? Every single thing. If it pulls back and hits a trend, it's going to stop going down and start going up. That's what a trend is. And when stocks are in trends, we want to buy them when they pull back. You don't want to buy them when they're far from the moving average. We want to buy them when they pull back to the moving average. Gold. 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 So we're getting a little stretched on gold now, right? All right, nobody's worried about inflation or the market, but they're buying the crap out of gold. Yeah, nobody's worried about it. Yeah, it still looks like a good buy. It's not stretched on a daily or anything. Gold still looks good to the long side. CHPT. All right, I mean, CHPT, you can try small right here. 2270, 2280. See if it holds those levels with a tight stop. Not a great trend, but you can try it small. Hello, OP. Sell Bitcoin, buy gold. Yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin doesn't hold these levels, we can pull back a little more. I hope it doesn't. I want another crack. I want another crack. BTCU. Most of the charts that look like trends have 200 EMA as roof. Yeah, that could very be. CRM was setting up for an early trend, Brad. It still is. Right? So again, another stock that's in a nice uptrend. So we want to buy a little bit when it hits our 9 and add to it when it hits our 15. So you got 216.80, 216.40. 2 spots to buy a little CRM. Kathy Wood's going on Bloomberg today. Who gives a shit? Pardon my language. All right. Let's try a little Labu, 57.40. That'll be straight down $2. Chaka-laka-laka. If it gets there fast on this pop down, I like it. Who's Kathy Wood? The greatest investor that ever lived. Just ask her. She'll tell you. Tesla coming in again. Coin coming in again. ARKK. Yeah, that's not looking so good. Dave out for the day. Second vaccine. Happy to be in tomorrow. Email man. All right, Jet. I'll take care of you. Good luck with the vaccine. CRSR. CRSR. It's had a 30-cent move the whole day, CRSR. I wouldn't bother. Spider's coming in like a hot potato. Let's look. Ooh, yeah. All right. So what's our levels, guys? Daily is 403.23. We're a long way from that, but we'll look. 403.20. No, Kathy Wood's a very good investor. She's done very, very well. She's not doing so great this year, but whatever, it happens. 402.70 is the big spot in the spiders. We got to go down an awful lot from here. You just bought Labu at 57.83. All right, I don't see any reason to. We don't have a technical reason. Our spot to buy it was 57.40. That was our pivot point. And I'm going to cancel that now because we came close and didn't quite get there. But again, for Hertz, I'm not buying anything until something hits my level. And then if it comes close and doesn't hit my level, I'm getting out of it. I'm not even doing it. Especially if the market starts coming in a little more here. NVAX. And NVAX is coming in with the rest of the market. Maybe a double bottom in NVAX. 137.70. I kind of like that. That looks okay. Too early to do double bottoms, Dana, especially in a QQQ where, you know, the market could start coming in now. I don't know. Too early. Too early. I can tell you one thing. We're already losing volume in the market. It's 10 o'clock, right? And we're slowing down. 10:09. MUDs, again, let's talk for a couple of minutes when I put up a chart. Unless you want me to look at a daily, a longer view of it. That's one thing, right? And that stock looks ugly on the daily. It's got room down to 11. But for trading, when I put up a chart, if I see something that's trading in a 25-cent range, I'm not even going to look to get involved. We're looking to make between 25 cents and $2 on every trade that we do. There's another one. It's at a 50-cent range for the day, right? So 19.25, you can try a little bit of this one. At least that's down almost 75 cents from the high. I kind of like that. It's good. Tesla turning. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying. But again, not a trade, guys and gals. 544 would have been a home run in Tesla, right? We missed it by $1. We went from 545 to 560. So if there was the trade at 544, we just missed it. Now it's just a bloody mess. It's not even a trade. It's nothing. Mara. Yeah, maybe we start Mara again at 1850. Let's see. But you see how important it is, guys, to take trends, to take trades, right? Mara went down $1 from the high. We said to get out of the entire thing at 2050. Everybody listened in my room anyway. It's a trade. It's a trade. I don't know. Here's the gig with Bitcoin, right? And again, we're nowhere near it doing anything. Let's go to the weekly chart. Okay? The weekly chart, everybody, is 29,518. That is the weekly chart. 29,518. We missed it by 600 points, which isn't even a lot, right? But God forbid it breaks that. Okay? My next spot is 18,000. I mean, do I think this can go to 18,000? I seriously doubt it. But we got to hold that weekly level if we go back down there and test. Let's put it this way. If we go back to 29.5, I am back in Mara. I am back in Bitcoin. I am back in all of it because I think we have to kind of get a bounce from there. That'd be down 50%. It would be a good place to start. So write it down. It'd be a good place to start. Again. Anyone in the room in the Facebook trend trade? Let's look. It's not a trend, Bob. It's a bloody mess. That is not a trend. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. It's not a pure trend trade. Again, we're gonna next week when we do the boot camp, Bob, we're gonna learn all these things. Okay, when we do the boot camp, we're gonna go over each trade for an hour, 2 hours. So you'll get it all down pat. That's why a lot of people in the room waiting for the boot camp next week aren't even trading yet, which is good. Yeah, Walmart's a trend. You know, if it got down to the 9, you could have bought a little Bitsky. Looks good. Target. Yes, keep Target for a trend trade. I like it. Yes, keeps consolidating at higher levels. Neo, again, it's at a 40-cent range all day. That's not here. Can you join the boot camp? I don't know how much room I have left, honestly. I'll tell you what, guys. Come into the room today if you want. thegreenroom-live.com. And I'll see how much room I have left for next week if anyone wants to do it. It's an upcharge. My boot camp is $500. It includes a free month in the room and the entire boot camp. But come into the room, hang out for the next 3 days, and then you can decide. Okay? Just come hang out for 3 days, and we'll see what happens. No, the private trading room is at greenroom-live.com. That's the private trading room. Follow the instructions and come into the room. That doesn't cost anything for the rest of this week. greenroom-live.com. Come into that. Come in and we'll talk about it, Don. Okay? Come in and we'll talk about it. What happened, Kaylee? You guys are all right? You made money on Facebook? Yes, I like to shorten Peloton if we get to 97.40, 100%. Yes, let's do it. That is getting stretched up there. 97.40. 97.40. And again, 1 o'clock today, we are doing our Facebook thing. I just made what I made in a day at my regular job in 10 minutes with your strategies, Dave. Going to put in my resignation now. Do not do that, Matt. Please. Don't quit your day job. I never advise anyone to quit their day job to try to do this. So far, I got $45 on Walmart, and then it stalled. No, but if you make $50, Tim, sell half of it, right? Anytime you have a 50-cent profit in any trade that you do, sell some of it, okay? Put some money in the bank, all right? Put some money in the bank. Don, if you come into the room, I can answer any questions that you have. Well, my email is dgreen927@yahoo.com, dgreen927@yahoo.com, dgreen927@yahoo.com. But everybody start by joining the Facebook. It doesn't cost a nickel, all right? Anyone who joins the Facebook, guys, I'm going to see you at 1 o'clock today. 1 o'clock today. And anyone who comes in the room, you'll be with me for the rest of the week, okay? You guys can start coming in the room right now if you want. greenroom-live.com. Anyone who wants. Dave, I lost over $400,000. Used all my life saving, all my debts, 50 years in a few months. Can I recover it back? Oh, my God, KH. Oh! Well, I want to cry when I read stuff like that. It's a long road, KH. A long, long road. But you certainly have enough to start day trading and swing trading and options trading left. It's not something that you're going to get back in a day, a week, a month, a year, or 2 years. But it's possible. And I don't like to give people false hope. And I know you're not alone in the fact that you got caught up in a lot of this bullshit. I know you are. I wish I could have found you before that happened. You got to start over. You can't worry about what was, and you got to start over. KHH, come into the room. I'll talk to you. No, I'm with you. Come into my room. I'll talk to you. I will comp you for the course. I will comp you for the boot camp, and we'll take it from there. All right? So come into the room. Guys, I'm just doing that for KH because whatever. You do learn from it. No question. When I first started trading, guys, when I left the Florida Stock Exchange and I had no idea what technical analysis was, I lost $300,000 in like a month. Literally a month. Because I didn't know what I was doing. I had no idea. And then I had to learn. And I had to teach myself how to do it. And it took a long time. But that's why we do what we do. That's why I'm crying now. That's why we do what we do. We try to make this as affordable as possible for people. And, you know, I'm with my guys for, I don't know, $140, 140 hours a month, all day, every single day, right? And we're trying to educate people who don't know what they're doing and have been in these situations, and we're trying to make it as affordable as possible. I'm with my people all day, every single day. All day, every day. For better or for worse. And guys, we have losing trades and we have losing days. But I can tell you this, okay, and this is the God's honest truth. Nobody who's ever traded with me who follows our rules has blown up a trading account. Nobody. Now, that's not saying that people don't, okay, because they do. They do. But if you follow our rules and learn the techniques, you'll never blow up a trading account. Never. Because we don't stay in trades long enough to lose that kind of money. You know, what you do when you're in a trade is much more important than figuring out how to get into a trade. Right? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Raging bull. I don't even want to get into it, KHH. Such crap that's out there. I don't even want it. No. They don't give a shit, most people. They're front running, don't care. Give me your money. Thank you very much. I don't want to see you ever again. Well, they don't care. And it's sad. It really is. Raging bull are scammers 100%. I don't like to talk. I don't give a shit about anyone who's not in my room, to be quite honest with you. Well, just know there's a lot of garbage out there. That's all. Oh, God. All right. Neo. Yeah. Look, guys, it's 10:20 and the market's dead. I mean, completely dead, right? We've had 45 minutes of trading. We're dead. There's nothing going on already. And this is what happens every single day. Join the course, bought course on 5/11. Join the how do I get registered for the boot camp on Monday? Again, guys, come into my room. The boot camp is completely separate, Rich, from the course or from the Facebook. Facebook is 100% free. Look, I know the course cost you $399. You get me every Thursday night with that. My live boot camp costs $500 and includes a month in the room. So for $500, you're getting the boot camp next week and a month with us in the room. But come into the room first and we'll talk about that stuff. All right? greenroom-live.com. Come into the room. You'll private message you. We'll talk about all that stuff. Okay? Tesla. Yep. All right. I mean, Tesla 560. I like a little short ski up there. Right? Were sessions this quick years ago, David? Steven, years ago, we never had a busy time in the market. When I was on the Florida Exchange, we'd stand around all day, sometimes doing nothing. At least we get an hour now. Join the room. Go to greenroom-live.com. Greenroom-live.com. You use password green15, download Omnovia, and enter the room. Greenroom-live.com. All right, let's get Peloton out. I like the short, 97.40. If we get there right now, 97.40 is good in Peloton. We have it out already. I got it. Let me just check our other orders because I'm a little thrown off. Yeah, we missed the Target, cancel that. We missed the Walmart, cancel that. We missed the Tesla, cancel that. All right. Clyde, the God's honest truth is yes. The course is only for people who have the ability to day trade. We talk about swing trading. We talk about options trading, but don't make the investment really unless you have time to day trade or you're going to at some point. That's the truth. That is the truth. You guys know if anything else, I'll tell you the truth all the time. So, it's really not worth it. The swing trading's great. which, you know, we do when it sets up. I mean, you know, our intention was to do a swing trade today in Mara. No, we made enough money where we didn't have to. Yeah, I don't know what SBNY is, but I like the short at 236.50 if it's not too stretchy. I've never seen it before. Never seen it before. Trying to sell CC. What's CC? CC? Is that a stock you're looking at, Raspy? Oil inventories in 10 minutes. All right. Maybe we get a little something out of the oil inventories. Quite honestly, most of the action this morning was pre-market with the Bitcoin and the Mara and all that other stuff. But we had a couple of trades early. NVAX Mara ripping. Uh-oh. The drug stocks are going. NVAX would have been good at 145, guys, right? No, I don't like it. Better trend trades, right? Covered, trying to sell covered calls on my shares. It's going to run on that. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, we can help you with that in the room. Yes, 100%. I have some options experts in my room. Matter of fact, next week when we do the boot camp, we're getting into some more advanced options techniques next week. Yes. All right, Walmart. Kind of, again, everything's just slowing down here, right? It's like lunchtime already. I don't know. I feel like we're in lunchtime volume. I don't know if I'm crazy about trend trades now. Right? I don't know. It's like we lost every stitch of volume in this market. Colin, the boot camp, I open a room every day at 7:30. That's just me. I start looking around, see what's going on. 8:30 a.m. we start our morning meeting. So the Monday of the boot camp next week, after 8:30, we have our morning meeting. We're all going to talk to each other. I want to know what your biggest problems are, what your biggest fears are, what you expect to get out of the course. We talked about Ryan and buying options yesterday, didn't we, KHH? Yeah, I liked this stock yesterday or the day before. Yeah, this thing's got room to 1274. But I think we talked about it yesterday. Still looks good. So we'll talk to each other on Monday. We'll trade the live markets. Walmart. Yeah, Steve, you got to listen to me. I said if you had a $50 profit in Walmart to cash in. So here's a good example for everybody. Okay? And I'm going to use you for an example, Stade, of what not to do. I hope you don't mind. So Stade was in Walmart, had a 50-cent profit on the trade. Not only did he not take his profit, he lost $32. That is unacceptable. Okay? I will never turn a winning trade into a losing trade. Ever, 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 ever. There's a huge difference between being up 50 and being down 30. That's an $80 swing, right? You do that every day on a couple of trades, and instead of being a successful trader, you're not a successful trader. So there you go. Again, lesson to be learned. That's all. The most important part about these lessons is, yes, that's why everybody's here. Yes. The most important part about these lessons is learning from them. If you don't, okay, then you're in the wrong business. Right? But we're human beings. We all make mistakes. Yes. Cancel the Peloton for now. But that's such an important lesson, guys. Okay? Wow, Riot spiking now. Bitcoin just rip up? It must have. I'll get to NVAX. Yeah, not really rip up. All right. I kind of like the short and Mara, guys, if we get to 2408. I like that. So let's keep our eyes on it. We will short Mara Riot at 2408. Let me put it out. I like it. Let's learn the techniques. Okay. Well, let's not even talk about that. The first thing you have to learn is money management for everybody in here. If you don't have that, you have no chance of being a successful trader. 0.0. JNUG. I don't know. Give me a level in JNUG. We're down from $112. Wow. Anyone got anything in JNUG, Dan? I mean, we have 103.76. That I love. I don't think we're going to get there, but that would be beautiful. Anyone buy gold with Solomon? Oh, you just bought it here, Solly? What are you doing? Yeah, I kind of canceled Peloton, guys. It's going too slow to get here. So if you're going to short 97.50, just have a real tight stop. What are you doing in gold, Solly? Yeah, Walmart's kind of hanging in between the trend now, Web. It's not really doing anything. Long gold at 175.86. So 14 cents you went down? All right. Cool beans. See if you get a bounce here. JNUG, we have a level at 105.20. Now forget it. JNUG bounced right off the pivot point, guys. That's only a 50-cent trade, but it bounced right off it. Uber, Walmart, Ride. Yeah, we talked about Ride. Right? Walmart is a long-term call for I hold. Yeah, listen, I'm good with that, Buff. I love Walmart. I think you're fine long-term with that, 100%. You know, but even the dividend's great. Dividend's great. It's just steady, you know. It's a nice steady stock. It does good whether the market's up, down, sideways. It's good. I don't mind that. Ride was a short. Where'd you short? Where was Ride a short? Ride, Captain, Ride. Now, Ride's not a short. What are you going to make on it? 10 cents, 15 cents? I want to be long Ride on a pullback. But, again, yesterday was the day we said to buy some options. Peloton, you shorted a little. Nice job, guys. Yee. So you see the Peloton, everybody, 97.50. You got the 97.57 and gave you a 50-cent trade. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. $0.20 on 10,000 shares, $2,000. Oh, wow. Wow. Tesla 560 for you shorties. I buy after you. Nobody short Tesla in this room. Yeah, we'll talk about it, Austin. So you just got a nice 80-cent trade out of Peloton from 97.50 to 96.70. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. See you later. Out of here, like Vladimir. Another great trade. Tesla definitely short 568. Yes. Yeah, I canceled it too, Ken. But unfortunately, a lot of people don't listen to me. Riot got to 24. We missed it by 5 cents. No. Nah, not quite. Got to 23 and change, but we're going to cancel that anyway. Yes, once we have a 50-cent profit in anything, KHH, move your stop up to break even so you can't lose money on that trade. Yes. This is a weird market today. Whoa, Facebook. All right, we're shorting Facebook at 309.90 for shizzle. 309.90. Where are these moves coming from, guys and girls? I mean, I don't get it. Almost got $1 out of the Peloton short. EVs are moving. Yeah, plug's moving a little bit. Yeah, plug bottomed out where we did it for a swing trade. They're all just bouncing up a little bit now. I want to cry Peloton. You were short 7,000 shares? Well, why'd you run in and cover it for 20 cents? Nobody told you to do that. Look, every trade we do, Tim, we want to make 50 cents, right? Oh, it didn't hit you on the short. Okay. Yeah, but if you're doing big size like that, you make 50 cents, you're gone. See you later, alligator. Workhorse, yeah, Workhorse is another one that got absolutely destroyed. And it's working its way back a little bit, but not a stock I'm interested. Not for me, ladies and germs. PayPal short. Oil's out. Oil inventories are out. Spike down, spike down. No. Facebook. Again, I love the short in Facebook if we get there. And we could buy some Facebook on a pullback now. ADXS. What the hell is that? That is a lottery ticket, Matt. If you like it, buy it and hold on for dear life. Yeah, we can buy Facebook if it pulls back to the trend, but I don't think that's going to happen. Finally, success. I got a little out of Peloton, but it was a struggle. On what trade, Scott? Did you short it up there with us and make a little bit, or did you buy it somewhere else? David got 90 cents on the Peloton short. Very nice. Good job. Good job. All right, good. Good, especially for my beginning traders, man. You start small. Get used to being short stocks, too. A lot of people don't even know what being short is, right? But if we're not used to shorting stocks, we're losing half of our trading opportunities. So we got to learn how to short stocks. No, do not short AMD. This whole move's less than 50 cents. I would not short it. Negative. BZ. BZ sitting in between everything. Again, no big movement. This whole day is 30 cents in VZ. Don't look at it. So we're talking about trading, right, guys? So unless something is moving up and down significantly, I don't want to look at it. Mike, your first short ever and you made $1. There you go. It's true, right? People think shorting is more risky than buying because the definition of it is your risk is unlimited. That's the definition of being short, right? When you buy something, you can only lose what you put into it. But when you short something, technically it can go to infinity. But it's just a trade. That's all. When we buy something, I want it to go up. When I short something, I want it to go down. Technical analysis worked both ways. We just got a beautiful example of that in Peloton. Right? When it pulled back to these levels, that was support, you buy it. When it goes up to these levels, that's a short, you sell it. We profit when it goes up when we're long. We profit when it goes down when we're short. So you don't even have to understand it. Really. Just learn how to do it. Right? That's it. Just learn how to do it. NVAX, let's see, 143.73 and 142.90. All right. I'm gone, Uncle Dave. Best day of the week. Nice. Let's go 142.50 in NVAX. I like that, right? That's our real trend. That's our 65. We can spike down there. I like that. 142.50. NVAX. Facebook. Ah, there you go, Matt. And everything's starting to come in now. Cancel the Facebook. 309.90. Not happening. Just a tricky market this morning, guys. Apple, 124.10 short. No. We want stocks to move at least $1 OP when I want to get into a short trade. So if something moves up 30 cents from where it's trading, not going to be a good short. Dave, when you get out of a large trade, say 500 to 1,000 shares, does it happen fast or does it take time? Good question, Lisa, and it depends on what kind of trade it is, right? Most of our trades, when a stock moves quickly to hit one of our moving averages and it's moved a lot, it's going to work within 5 minutes. Most of our trades. If we're in a trend trade, you know, if Peloton were to pull back for the trend and we got in, we want to stay in it all day. And hopefully it holds that trend and just keeps going up. So it depends on what kind of trade we're getting into. Our regular moving average, our FAFA moving average, those things are going to work pretty quickly. I don't see anything in oil right here. Kind of just sitting doing nothing. BTX down. Let's look. Wow. I mean, do we like BTX at 17, guys? That's a giant level for that thing. We were thinking about swinging it there yesterday, right? That's weekly. $16.89. See, now the stock was $80, right? $80. And this was another Reddit stock. That doesn't even mean I'm crazy about buying it at 17. So it doesn't matter where a stock was. It only matters where it's going. I mean, the next level of support in this thing is like $9. 1043. I'm not in a hurry in that one either. I don't know. Not in a hurry. Let's see what happens. Should I buy Tesla at 553.83? First of all, everything that we do in here is for, but it comes with a huge disclaimer. Everybody trades at their own risk. Yada, yada, yada. Well, if we like the trend in Tesla, it's like 554.30. Almost right here. You know, if it holds these levels, it's probably fine. 554.30. Tesla. Would you consider Peloton a trend trade? Yes, I would consider Peloton a trend trade. But we're losing volume, so I wait till the 9. I mean the 15. 96.40 is where we buy Peloton. Okay? I don't have any thoughts on Ford. It's a real cheap stock. I really don't care. I mean, if you want me to look long-term, I can look long-term. FCX is in a bit of a downtrend. I don't see anything to do in that stock, KHH. Why are we buying NVAX when the volume is so low? Is it? 30. It's traded a few 100,000 shares today. All right, let's cancel NVAX. The beautiful thing about trading is someone points something out. When I buy 500 to 1,000 shares, when I sell it back, does it happen fast? Usually it's going to happen fast, Lisa. We're going to get in. We're going to get out. Yeah, I got nothing in GameStop, guys. You guys got anything here in GameStop? I mean, it just busted through the double bottom. Don't like that. Is the market going down? See, the first thing I look at when I see GameStop going down is the market going down. All right? Now, if someone said there's not enough volume in NVAX, we're going to skip it. GameStop, we got 166.70. Really? What's that? Let's start looking. 15-minute, 30-minute. 30-minute is 165.80. Ooh, GameStop. 165.80. That's the 30-minute. I say we try that small. GameStop. 165.80. 30-minute down $1 from here. Almost be a far from moving average trade. Right? So this one I had to go to my 30-minute. And there's my 65 EMA at 165.80. I like it. I'll be straight down a whole bunch. And I think we'll get a bounce off that. Let's see if it happens in the next couple of minutes. Myrna. Yeah, again, I'm not trusting any trends now. I mean, Myrna just went down what? $8. Jesus, Christmas. I mean, 156.80, you can try a little Myrna, right? Yeah, again, I just told everybody 10 minutes ago, let's be a little careful here. You know? Added GameStop at 170. From where, OP? Where did you start? GameStop worked off the 166.70? Oh, nice job, Tim. Yeah, you had to be real fast. I don't know if I trust anything now, guys and gals. I got my hands in my pockets right now. Okay? I got my hands in my pockets. I'm not impressed with anything. Yeah, I'm not liking anything, honestly, right now. So you said you added GameStop at 170. Where did you start buying it? Is the question. Oil getting smoked? Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, that's a big move for oil. Wow. Yes, that is a big move for oil. And the markets are approaching theirs lows. Yeah, always, guys, I'm always looking at the market, okay, before I make any decision about getting into any trade. And if the market looks like crap, why do we want to buy stuff? NVAX 15-minute worked. Yeah, the 15 EMA worked. 142.80. Actually, we're out at 142.50. I think we would have missed it. But it worked for a quick banana skin. All right, cancel GameStop. That ain't happening right now. No, we're kind of slowing down now. Kathy Wood says Bitcoin to 500,000. All right, it's good. What do you want her to say? Oh my God, what a maroon! I mean, to me, that's just irresponsible. But whatever, they can say whatever they want. You know, whatever. Yeah, Bob, because you bought it today, right? Bitcoin? Well, I don't know about Kathy Wood or anybody else, but all I know is my team got a very good starting spot in Bitcoin this morning, around $30,000. And it's the first time I ever recommended it. So good for Kathy Wood. NVAX would have worked. All right, guys and gals. What do you want me to tell you? I stink on ice. NVAX just gave a $1 trade off, but I think I was 142.50 in NVAX, weren't we? I mean, it didn't get there. It got to 142.66. So we kind of missed it by a couple of cents. Lovely Rita Mita Maid. Yeah, Rita's hanging here. Oh, the pharmaceutical. Yeah. Wow. Another really choppy stock. Well, Jim, listen, I'm doing this for 35 years. So I go to the beat of my own drummer. I'm doing this long enough to know not to listen to anybody. And you have to understand that she is a long-term trader, right? And she can afford to average into these things till the cows come home, right? So a lot of the people, though, that she's recommending get into these things at the prices that she got into them have blown up their trading accounts. That's right. And it's not her money. Another thing. Exactly. She makes money no matter what happens. You know, her fund's only down, what, 40% this year? Whatever. I don't want to talk about her. Giving a shit. All right, everybody in our Facebook page, I'm going to go check now. I want to see how many people signed up for our Facebook page. Let's go. Go to Facebook, Dave Green. 24 people. That's it? 24 of you people signed up for our Facebook page. You got to be kidding me. I might not ever show up here again. 24 people. Wow. 24 people is embarrassing. We'll see everybody at 1 o'clock, though, who's there. 1 o'clock. Yeah, you're probably better off without it, HIS. Wall Street Global Trading Academy, Facebook. Yeah, I'll copy and paste it for you guys. If I can. I can copy it. Can I paste it? Yes. There it is, guys. Everybody join in my group. Sorry, Dave, I'm trading futures. That's okay. It's not for everybody. It's okay. There's 124 people in my trading room right now. Yeah, Austin, they're good people over there at T3. You're fine. They're honest. I wouldn't worry about that. They're good. My trading room, guys, is going to be capped out at 115 people. Right now, there's 124 people in there. I know a lot of you are visiting, but as far as going forward, right, my room is going to be limited to 115 people as far as paying members per month. And the reason I'm doing that is I don't want to have any more people than that. That's it. We'll start a waiting list, but it's not going to work if I have 150, 200, 300 people. I want everybody to be able to do all the trades that we do. It's not all about money for me. So I'm going to cap it probably after this week. So the room won't be available anymore. The course will be available. Boot camp will be available. You need some kind of test for the Series 57, Rich. I will get anybody information if they want. Dave, once the free week is over, how is access to the room? I signed yesterday, but I did not receive credentials. Sebastian, as soon as I finish up with Benzinga, I will let you know that. How can I sign up for the boot camp? Too late. No, Charles, you're not too late. Let me finish up with our Benzinga peeps, and then I will talk to my room about going forward with the boot camp. That's it, Caleb. If you love what you do, it's not work. All right, last thing I want to talk about, and then we're going to get out of here for the day. But I'll be back tomorrow. Let's talk about the course, guys. And this is good for everybody. And we made a special deal for Benzinga. It's not the last thing I want to talk about. But so this is the course, and this is for people who can't be here all day, right? Wall Street Global Trading Academy is our course. Me and Peter have curated this course. It's over 6 hours of videos, and it comes with continued mentorship forever on Thursday nights. Okay? What we've done for Benzinga, and only Benzinga members, is that we've reduced the price of the course by 20%. So instead of $500, it's $400. You have this course forever. You get me every Thursday night. You buy it today, you'll see me tomorrow night. Every Thursday night, we come in. We have great meetings together. We answer any questions that you guys have. And it is spectacular. Once you have purchased the course, you'll go into your members area. You'll log in. And you have access to the course. Absolute beginners through advanced people who are struggling or want to learn more about trading. Language of the stock market. Money management. Most important thing we'll ever talk about. Chart basics. We set up your charts. Our 5 trading techniques. Swing trading. Options trading. Bitcoin. And every Thursday night, you click on that Zoom, and we get together for an hour, hour and a half to make sure everybody's getting everything they need to get out of the course. Everything. And again, it's on sale for all my Benzinga peeps for $399. Anyone who signs up today, we'll see you tomorrow night on Thursday night. Besides that, anybody come into the room anytime you want for the next 3 days, all are welcome. Yeah, plug is ripping up. Yeah, all these EVs are getting a little bounce, right, from being way oversold. Way oversold. And they're bouncing. Mara right back up. That means Bitcoin ripped, right? Yeah, there we go. Testing the double top in Bitcoin. All right, see what happens there. Are there still large option buying in Tesla 6 and 650s? Good question. You can go look. It's a great question. Great question I don't know the answer to. Can we just come in and... Yes, Tiny. Yes. There is no obligation when you come in and watch me for the next 3 days. I do not chase you. I don't want your email. I don't want anything. You come in, you hang out for 3 days. That's it. You sign up. You don't sign up. It's fine. It's good. And if you're going to come in for the 3 days, take advantage and ask questions for the next 3 days. Okay? So, yes, 100%. There is no obligation. Green dots and pink dots are pivot points, Billy. So we use them as we would another moving average. So it shows us resistance if a stock is going up and support if a stock is going down. Most of the people in my room are using Thinkorswim. That's what you're looking at. These charts are all Thinkorswim. And the reason we do that is, number one, I love the charts. And number two, so we're all looking at the same thing at the same times, so we can all trade together. Thinkorswim is free to get. You get the charting for free. Caleb watched all day yesterday. He had fun. Yeah. And we do some lessons along the way, and we teach people as we go. Last thing I want to talk about, okay, which is muy importante for anyone who is joining us today, is Benzinga, and how important having a good news service is along with your trading. To me, my Benzinga Pro service is like a moving average. It's like a pivot point. It's like any other technical analysis I put into my charts, because I use it the same way I would part of my technical analysis. And the stories are spectacular, and we get news before everybody else. So I highly suggest for every person in this room to sign up for the Benzinga Pro. It is an invaluable tool for trading. Pays for itself sometimes in one trade. One trade. So I just go to your Facebook at 1 p.m. That's a good question. I think you're going to I think you'll get an email or something that'll tell you when to come in. I can find out. Hold on a sec. Yeah, you'll get some kind of notification. Otherwise, just come into the Facebook page at that time. But I think you're going to get some kind of notification.
Naked screaming. For us, this is a day where the opportunities are endless if you have technical analysis. That's all I got to say to you guys. That's all it is. I sold Doge at the top. All power to you, buddy. Good for you. There you go. Never turn a winning trade into a losing trade. Never turn a winning day into a losing.
I'm approving everybody right now, so you shouldn't have a problem as far as being approved is concerned. Let me go check, make sure everybody's in who wants to get in. Yeah, right now, everybody who wants to get in is in. Right now. Can I look at BTU? I can. Tesla has diamond hands. All right, without even knowing anything about BTU, T-Man, this is a stock you can have in your speculative file, right? If you like the story, you hold on to it, and it's a lottery ticket. I recommend that everybody have a small portion of their portfolio in stocks like this that you think might have a shot of doing something big someday. You know? Why not? You don't take 50% of your money and do that. That you don't do. But you take a small portion, and if you hit a couple of them, yeah, you're doing good. I have 30 shares of UMCM, but I don't think it's run enough. UWMC. Yeah, I would hang out to this. It looks okay. UWMC. I think you're fine. Got room to 945. Yes. You know, me, I'm always looking to take profits on everything we did. My best investment in the market has been to buy David's course. Thank you. I appreciate that. And, you know, the mentorship is the biggest part of that, right? By far. So anyone missed it, just go to wallstreetglobaltradingacademy.com and you can sign up for the course in there. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. I'll tell you what, for $400, this will be the best thing you ever buy if you want to learn about trading. No doubt in my mind. None. Plus, I'm with you every Thursday night. Nobody sells you a course and then hangs out with you and answers the questions about it. Nobody has a live trading room. Well, maybe somebody does, but there aren't a lot. Nobody has a live trading room where they're posting every single trade they get in before they get into it, where they're using their own money, where they're advising on every single trade that we do. I don't think it exists in too many places. That's what I'm saying. Dave, you're right. I have lost money waiting to make more when I should have taken the profit. Yes, 100%. Yes. Who's going to sit with you for 5.5 hours a day? Not only that, once you become part of my family and you're in the green room, long-term stuff I help you with, you got a problem with something that you're stuck in, I can try to wiggle you out of it. But more importantly than that, I'll keep you from losing a lot of money. That I guarantee. That I guarantee. Guarantee. If you listen. I shouldn't say I guarantee. There's no guarantees in life, right? Except death and taxes. That's it. Do you have a way to help? I know about the taxes that you have to pay and all that stuff. Yes, 100%. How many likes do we have right now, Aaron? Is it time for me to leave? Yesterday we had over 200 at one point. Can we beat that?
Today we're at 150.
Oof, that's pretty sad.
I know. I think we can get up to 200 by the time we're done here in a couple minutes, though.
All righty.
I got faith in Zinger Nation.
Myrna, guys, not a short here. 160.75 is a good spot. I would not do that right here. Roblex, I like to short up there. Yes, if we get there. So, you know, the whole thing with day trading, guys, okay, and you guys see my P&L, and my P&L doesn't mean shit. Every day I'm up 20 or down $20 because I'm not doing most of these trades, right? But everyone in the room is doing every single trade that sets up, and yesterday was a spectacular day. Today's been a very good day. You know, it's just all about being patient and disciplined, you know. I have some people come into my room, they're making 50, 60 trades a day. It's so difficult to make money when you're doing that. When you do this correctly and you get up to the, you know, the right sizing in your account, I can live on 2 trades, 1 trade a day. I can live on 2 trades a day. Absolutely. You don't need more than that. And, you know, good traders should be bored most of the time. That's the bottom line. Good traders should be bored most of the time. Yes, I sold the Bitcoin when I told you I did, Joe. Yeah, I left a couple of 1,000 points on the table. But we got the dead effing low. I can tell you that right now. And that was it. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. No. No. I'll tell you what. We get to around 40,000, I will short some Mara. How about them apples? So we go up to 40,000, I'm shorting Mara, wherever that is. I used to do 82 trades a day and all green. And yeah, that's it. You know, you can have 80 trades a day and make money on 78 of them, but lose more on the 2 trades than you made on the 78 good ones, right? All right, Gus, go to the gym. Yes.
All right, David. Well, we do got to wrap up here in a couple minutes.
You got it, my friend. I'm done anyway. I got nothing else to say.
Market's starting to slow down a little bit.
It's dead. That's it.
It's dead. Well, congratulations on your first ever Bitcoin purchase.
Hey. That was cool. I will, let's see. Tomorrow we'll be back. Fridays is a no-go because Fridays are dead and we're out of here by 11 o'clock on Fridays. Every single Friday. One of the best things about trading, and all you guys know this, is that our time is our own, right? We come and go as we please. A lot of my people in my room were done before the market opened because we were in and out of Bitcoin. So that was it. We'll be back tomorrow morning, Aaron.
Sounds good. All right, David. Well, enjoy the rest of your day and happy trading, everyone.
Thank you, guys. Before I go, number 1, Facebook. Get in the group. We'll see you at 1 o'clock. Number 2, come into my room anytime you want. You got the next 3 days. Number 3, buy the course. And number 4, and most importantly, Benzinga. Jump in there and get the Benzinga Pro. It'll pay for itself in a very short period of time. All right. Loves to all.
Beautiful. Thank you, David.
See you bright and early in the AM.